Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Arjun from EliteMobIndustries. Today I'm going to show you how to fix minor curb rashes on your rims. Just a note though, this is not going to be a full-on procedure. It's kind of like a budget-friendly way to make your rims look a bit better. So we just came back from the tire shop and we got some new Michelin X-Ice snow tires, 225 45 R18s, and we got them on these rims. So as you guys can see over here, it's not like the Honda where it got axles poking out. So I really recommend picking up one of these guys. They call a wheel alignment tool. I got mine from Burger Tuning.